Hello everybody, welcome back to Aaron's Toy TV, and I am back with the other Lego City set, and this is a Lego City Monster Truck. This I think shall be Carolina Crusher from Monster Jam, and it's a very cool monster truck, and this is how it looks the back side. You will get with a jump and like fire on the side, and you could jump on through the two fires on the side. So let's build it. And we are done. Look at this cool Lego. I didn't know it was so cool, this Lego. You will get with these fire things here, a jump and cool stickers. It says Crusher, a big engine there, 4 lights, and it has a streak there so you can go up and down, up and down. And this is how it works, like and that's cool. One more time. Maybe we can try a stunt. So, thank you for watching Aaron's Toy TV, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!